Hello guys, good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So today is another craft, another design that I want to achieve. So this is my life in the island. By the way, this is Alma. So I need to present to you my new craft. This is the leftover of the a small container. Pugat. So this is a container. So in this container, I want to achieve this design. I cut it into two so that I can make my craft. So for on this day, from now on. So first, we need to put a cement. I already mix a cement here. I prepare already so that you understand what I'm saying. So but I am using this one as a wall of my incoming flower here in the villa. So I am here in the villa one. So this is the tea house, as you remember, as you can see in my previous video. So I am here in my massage pathway here. So this is the swimming pool. This is the massage pathway going to the swimming pool. This is the surrounding. This is the villa one. So for today's video, let's start the cement. Need to mix the cement. Then we need to pour the cement here. We need to put aside. Make sure that we fill all the way we fill it correctly so that we can get the design. So this is it. I already poured the two formwork, the container formwork, and now it's time to reveal. We need to remove it in the formwork. So this is the beautiful design that I want to achieve. I already remove this one. So this is it. This is my new design, new craft that I want to achieve. I will show you the ching. This is the already done. This is ready to put or to construct my design. So this is all the way. I hide under the terrace so that it's not broken. So next is I already prepared the hole. So this is the area that I want to prepare my incoming flower. So I already put cement. So I will show you my new crop, my new design of mine. So here we go. To achieve it, then you put it in the top of the cement. Make sure that the level is correct. I have my level, but I don't know if it's correct. Put it like this. now it's time to paint. First, I need to paint white, the flat latex. So let's enjoy. To all my subscribers, I love you from the bottom of my heart. Please continue watch and subscribe my YouTube channel, Villa Julam Camotes Cebu. If you want to support me, just like and share my video. So subscribe so that I can monetize soon and I can help people in the future to teach them so that they can learn simple DIY, simple craft, the same what I am starting. So this is it. Time to paint the final color. So I make a combination green and light blue. So let's see the result. You know, my life is always in the experiment, so I want to make different. So this is the final color. We'll see. This is a unique color. So once again, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Villa Julam Camotes Cebu. Like, share, hit the notification below. To all my subscribers, I love you from the bottom of my heart. So this is it. Please continue watch my video so that you can learn and get the simple tips from me. This is all trash and leftover that we can make possible in our house if we want a creativity or we want to learn something. So this is the final color. You can combine your art, your imagination, and make it a beautiful design in your home or in your community. You can share it in your community if you have time. So me, I always make it a sample in my villa or in my house as well, so that maybe someday I can share it in my community, that we can We can reuse and recycle trash, make it possible in our garden or anywhere in our house. We can build something and make it a unique design. So bye bye, hope you enjoy my video, my new design, my new experiment from the plastic bottle, from the container of no need to name the brand to avoid copyright. So any plastic container that you can use, you can make a design, you can do it. So bye bye, have a beautiful day.